Bonjour, je m'appelle Dr. Chen et bienvenue à French 1312, chapitre 6, leçon 2. Aujourd'hui, nous allons pratiquer comment demander l'opinion en français. Comment demander l'opinion en français avec la préposition de. J'espère que tout le monde va très bien. Hello, my name is Dr. Tin and welcome to French 1312, Chapter 6, Lesson 2. Today we are going to practice how to ask somebody's opinion in French with the preposition de, which translates into English as about. Ça va? Très bien. Allez-y. In our previous lesson, we studied how to ask somebody's opinion in French. Comment demander l'opinion en français. Now, to do that, we use the verb penser and the preposition de. De. We ask the questions both informally and formally with the pronouns tu and vous. And then we realized that de here became des piécines and the de here also became des tatouages. So the de changed to des and des. So qu'est-ce que tu penses des piécines? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez des tatouages? It's simply because the de came into contact with the definite article, the plural definite article, les, and changed to des. Now, if you look at examples 1, 2, and 3, you see that the de is like that in 1. The de is also like that in 2. But the de has changed to du in 3 and has changed to des, just like des piécines and des tatouages in our previous examples. Now here, you see that we have a plural. Now, the same thing with piécines, les piécines, and les tatouages. So that has become de, has become des here. Now let's go back to 1, l'ail. You see that the noun, l'ail, which in English means garlic, has l'apostrophe in front of it. I has L apostrophe in front of it. Now we are dealing here with what is called in French definite articles. Definite articles. Now the combination of de with the definite article L apostrophe will stay the same. There will be no change. De will stay the same. So de l'ail, you see that the de has not changed. What do you think about garlic? Now, if you want to do the same thing with another example, okay, let's say you want to use the example l'examen, which means examination. You realize that I has a vowel, and then examen has a vowel. The vowels A and the vowels E. The vowels A and the vowels E. And the definite article has L apostrophe in front of the noun. It's because when two vowels meet, you drop the first one and you put your apostrophe. So, de l'ail, what do you think about garlic? Qu'est-ce que tu penses de l'ail? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de l'ail? The L apostrophe coming into contact with de will not change de. De will remain the same. So if you have a noun, another noun that begins with another vowel and has the L apostrophe in front of it, the de will not change. So you will say, qu'est-ce que vous pensez de l'examen? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de l'examen? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de l'examen? Qu'est-ce que tu penses de l'examen? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de l'ail? Qu'est-ce que tu penses de l'ail? You realize de stay the same in front of L apostrophe. Okay, now you will see that de also hasn't changed in front of the definite article la. So la nourriture means food. Let's say you have dinner with somebody and you are asking about that person's opinion about the dinner that you just had. So you're asking that person, what do you think about the food? The food here is la nourriture. La nourriture. La nourriture. La nourriture. La nu. Très bien. Réture. Très bien. So la nourriture. The la in front of nourriture will combine with de, and de will stay the same. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu penses de la nourriture? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de la nourriture? You see that de does not change here. Now, let's say you want to use another noun. La maison, house. You want to ask somebody, what do you think about the house? Let's say you want to you want to sell your house, and the person buying your house has paid you a visit and has seen the house, And now you are asking that person, what do you think about the house? Is it expensive? Is it beautiful? Something like that. So you ask the person, qu'est-ce que tu penses? And then you will see that the de will come into contact with the la in front of the house, maison in French, and it will not change. So it will become de la maison. So the question will be, qu'est-ce que vous pensez de la maison? Formally and then informally. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de la maison? No changes there. Now, in the third example, you realize that de, right, has changed to du, 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 du. It's because football américain has the definite article le in front of it. Le football américain. So when the de here combines with the lo in front of the le in front of football américain, du and du, the du here simply means there's a contraction happening because of the combination of de and le. So when de and le come together, there is a contraction and du will be the result. So you will say, qu'est-ce que tu penses du football américain? Okay, the du is the combination of de and le. Okay, let's say you want to ask somebody's opinion about red wine. You know that red wine is le vin rouge. Right? See, it's le here. Le. So the de will combine with the le to become du. So your question will be, qu'est-ce que vous pensez du vin rouge? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez du vin rouge? Qu'est-ce que tu penses du vin rouge? Now, in our fourth example, you see that you have de instead of de. Now, the same thing that the de in our previous example with piercing and tatouage. In our previous examples of piercing and tatouage, you see that the de became de. The same thing is happening here. You see that smartphone has an S there, so it makes it plural. So the plural definite article is le. When le comes into contact with de, the combination will be a contraction and the result will be de. So, qu'est-ce que tu penses Des smartphone is the result of the deux combining with les and becoming des. Alors, qu'est-ce que vous pensez des smartphones? Qu'est-ce que tu penses des smartphones? Let's change it to another noun. Let's use another noun here. Les montres. A montre means watches. And let's use another adjective here. Connecté means connected, right? But here we are simply saying smart watches. So if you want to ask somebody's opinion about smart watches, we will say formally, qu'est-ce que vous pensez? And then you will have to do your grammar here. The deux will combine with the les to become des. So you will say, qu'est-ce que vous pensez des montres connectées? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez des montres connectées? Informally, qu'est-ce que tu penses des montres connectées? Qu'est-ce que vous pensez des montres connectées? Formally, informally, qu'est-ce que tu penses des montres connectées? Ça va bien? Au revoir et à bientôt.